UE code is not technically considered an error code. It is more of an alert message and is an indication that the washer was unable to properly balance the load prior to spin. In most cases, this code can be corrected without the need for service. Follow these simple steps to locate possible issues that could be the source of the alert. First, be sure to check that all packing material has been removed and that the washer is installed level on a stable surface. If the washer is tilted to one side, it will be difficult for the unit to properly balance the load for spin. Check the load to be sure that it will balance. Loads such as rugs or pillows may not be able to be balanced inside the machine. Also, if the load size is too big or too small, the articles may become bunched to one side and may require to be evenly distributed within the tub prior to spin. After following these steps, if the UE continues, service will be needed to resolve the issue.